Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Renee Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And this is Palmer Friday on Wednesdays here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. We are done for the week and we're after hours now. And we're just showing you a follow-up on Renee's treatment plan because I've been working on her tirelessly here at the office and at home to get this left shoulder to full range of motion without hurting her. It's been a difficult task, but we made improvements in it, so we're just going to adjust her again today. Okay, now let's take a look at your posture. And by the way, see, Renee's sporting some brand new Palmer College of Chiropractic scrubs. I tried to get this in Palmer purple, but we're having to special order all those to get Palmer scrubs made. But Renee's wearing her Palmer scrubs, and I'm wearing my Palmer FedEx guy looking shirt. And you know what? You guys have always made comments say, oh, well, how much is Palmer paying him to do this? Yeah. Palmer doesn't pay us a dime. We don't pay Palmer money for doing stuff with Palmer. I am a Palmer alumnus, and I'm very proud that I went to Palmer College of Chiropractic because it's absolutely the best chiropractic college in the world. Yeah. Period. It's the largest, first, and best. Yeah. And we want to give a big shout out to Tristan up there at Palmer, Dr. Marchiori, and Dr. Binding in the research department, and Jeremy's going to be up there in March of this coming year, so we're going to have two of our interns that are starting in Palmer will be graduating within a year of each other. Yeah. And we've got 4 other patients right now who want to become chiropractors and go to Palmer as a result of their life-changing results that they've seen here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, getting the Palmer package, adjusting, and the Johnson technique, which we're combining all of those, and we're going to be teaching this technique in about 3 years when Tristan graduates. My table is actually done on the 4th, and I'm flying up to go look at it and test it out and everything, and then we'll probably have that here in the office by December. Yeah. So, and then we're going to start we're going to give a table to Palmer, we're going to give one to Life West, and we're going to give one to Parker up there. In fact, I'm going up to Parker Neuroscience Center tomorrow and meeting with some researchers up there. And, we've got some really exciting things going on here. Research, neurological testing that is totally unique as dermatomal somatosensory evoked potential testing that we can do before, during, and after the adjustment on this manual spinal neural decompression on the y-axis technique. So we're going to have scientific data that lets us know more about what we're doing here. We're not trying to prove anything because I already know it works. We're just going to see what the scientific data tells us. It's a learning experience. All research is to increase our knowledge base in that particular field of study. And Dr. Binding made a really good point about that up at Palmer Research when I was up there for homecoming. And we want to be completely transparent. We want to be completely accurate and published so that we can start breaking down some of the barriers that have existed between medicine and chiropractic for so many years because of lack of research on chiropractic care. So anyway, honey, let's show them how we adjust you after hours.
Okay, remember.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. Forward and backwards. You know the drill. Wow, that's not too bad, actually.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Let's come on and do this one first. Now, see, I give Renee the ring dinger all the time. Don't be.
I was trying to run fast to bring a
She was
patient
trying to
back,
run faster and ran into the wall. So she exacerbates herself more than anything.
And it hurt like you know what.
Okay. Now you guys don't be playing your Houston chiropractor at home This is not for non-licensed chiropractors to even be thinking about doing on other people. Breathe through your nose with your left big toe. There it is, right there. Yes, ma'am.
Ooh. Wow.
Look at there, you're still kicking, honey.
Yeah, I'm still kicking. Oh gosh, shooting pain in my shoulder.
You know, I am going to do a P to A adjustment on your C6. Let me have it. There you go. Okay. I still think she has cervical brachial radiculopathy because we did MRI, CT scans, X-rays, bone scans on her left shoulder and scapula. She does not have a rotator cuff tear, but I think she's got scar tissue in and around her left shoulder, glenohumeral joint and AC joints. So that's what I've been working on.
Whew.
You look good, no scrubs, honey.
Thank you. Oh,
That tightens up a little bit.
I just put my well.
There we go. There we go. Yes, ma'am. Perfect.
Oh, God.
Breathe.
Oh.
Okay, just breathe. There, okay. Don't go anywhere.
I'm sorry there.
I know. There you go. Okay. Let's lay right there. I'm not done yet. You know, if we don't get Renee well in the next 4 to 6 weeks, I'm taking her out to get hammered by Dr. Bo. You think she screams in here? Wait till she gets that.
Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. Oh, God.
Remember, honey, this is Palmer Wednesday, so don't be cussing on the YouTube videos.
Oh, sorry. Oh, my gosh. Oh.
You know, the reason all our crack addicts love Renee, she's a screamer.
Oh, God.
Okay, hang on. I'm going to go all the way down your trap to this insertion here. There we go.
Oh, God.
Get this left butt cheek, get the right butt cheek, and then we're all ready to go.
Oh, gosh.
Okay. Now your legs are even, and tell me if this tightens up at all.
No.
Imagine that. Imagine that. Okay, let's turn you on your back.
Oh, gosh. Ooh. I'm breaking out in the sweat.
Now y'all make sure you go to Emily's video, which we did today, and she has a hyperlink in her description box to vote for Emily to be on the cover of Maxim magazine.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
just as much as you can.
oh, God.
I know.
Oh.
There's her AC joint. There.
Oh,
Okay.
God. Oh. Oh, God. Oh.
Uh-huh. Was it good for you too? There we go. Okay. Let me have you. That's it. Okay. So, I haven't done this adjustment on Renee in quite some time because she hasn't let me, but I'm going to today.
Just a second.
Scoot back this way. Okay, Queenie, right back up here.
Oh,
No, I'm doing it.
I can't do that part though.
I know what you can do and what you can't do. There you go. Okay, so I'm not going to bring this around. I'm just going to put it in the right position.
Okay.
Just relax, breathe, exhale, look at your left ear. There it is. Right there.
Oh my
stand up. I need you to stand up real quick.
Oh, God.
Okay,
Oh,
hang on.
oh,
Stand up.
oh,
Face the mirror.
oh,
Don't quit being such a drama.
oh,
Okay. No, you gotta stand up and face the mirror.
God.
I'm not really being mean to Renee. She's just a horrible patient.
Oh,
She needs to let me do what I need to do to get the fibrotic adhesions out from that shoulder joint.
oh, God.
Move it to its fullest range of motion.
Oh, I seriously gotta sit down.
Hang on. I'll hold you. I won't let you fall. I haven't lost a patient on the floor yet. I'm certainly not going to start with you.
Oh, God.
Mm-hmm. Nope. Nope. Stand up straight. You stand forward like that, you're just giving into the tissue.
Oh, God.
Okay, look, see your head's right down the center now.
Oh.
Walk around. Walk it off.
Mm.
Breathe. You're not breathing. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Yes, like that. Keep breathing
Oh,
deep.
God.
Keep breathing deep.
Oh.
You're going to be all right. So this is a really painful condition. She was moving towards frozen shoulder there, and she does have just a ton of years of cumulative trauma by being on the computer so much and working at the front desk and
Why is this
the
band
activities. Plus
coordinator
she
for
runs into the
20
walls
years?
and stuff and hits her shoulder.
Oh, gosh.
And she didn't get adjusted. This is the number one reason that she has this shoulder problem is because she didn't get adjusted for about 2 months. About what, 4 months ago?
Yeah.
And then it started, and now she's screaming. So, if you have your body telling you that you need an adjustment or that you need to do something, listen to your body. Don't be hard-headed like Renee.
Yeah.
Listen to your body and get adjusted regularly so that your body can function at its maximum capability 24/7.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Imagine that. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Renee Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief on Palmer Wednesdays.